Welcome back. King's House Avenue, that's where we're at today. Just doing another community drive. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do a new upload, you'll be notified. Remember to like the video, comment on the video, and share the video as well. So we're doing a drive through this community, King's House Avenue. Never recorded this community before, so that's what I'm doing for you guys today. We're just passing an apartment complex under construction. Quiet community, very residential, a mixture of single family homes and a few apartments and townhouses here and there. So that's the mix for this community. And as usual, if any of you guys grew up in this community, living in this community, used to live in this community, just let me know in the comment section. Alright, so I'm showing you guys around the area. As I said, different apartment complexes and townhouses. So Sandy Park ahead, we're taking Richings Avenue. And then from Richings we'll go on Sandhurst Crescent. So it's another community drive showing you guys around. Just continue watching. Remember to like and share your comment. Again, this is a mixture of single family homes and apartment complexes as well. So we'll take the right here. Sandhurst Crescent, and then this will lead back to East King's House Road. Sandhurst close on the left. Alright guys, so continue enjoying the drive. this is Sanders Place. Let's just take a quick glimpse inside this area. Personally, first I'm coming on this street. We have a few empty lots in this community waiting for some development. So this is Sanders Crescent. So a few older type homes and a few empty lots in the community as well. Alright, so again, a lot of apartment complex in this area. So just showing you guys around as usual. Alright, so we are at the Ivory Coast. So we'll just turn back and head on out. Here's another apartment complex here. So there's a mixture of apartments and single family homes. A lot of single family homes too that, you know, are built a long time. So probably over time they'll upgrade them and turn them into apartment. But there's a lot of single family homes still in this community. Some of them really run down as well, like the one on the left right here. Well, you can't see it properly, but yeah, some of them run down right here with this gate. But I guess over a period of time we'll see the transformation. Alright guys, so again, leave your comment, like, share, subscribe. Well, we finished with this Sanders community. We started on King's House Avenue. And we're on Sanders Crescent. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on another driving video.
Shining